always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
Okay, the cold front's here. It is moving through right now. It's associated with this line of storms here of rain, but unfortunately where we're at, it's breaking apart. We actually need some rain, and we are just not going to get anywhere near what we had hoped or what the computer models were telling us we were going to get. We've got a few little showers moving through Pompano Beach, Fort Lauderdale, some coming down through Kendall as well, but they're not dropping a lot of rain, and they're moving pretty quickly. This is all going to be over by 8, 9 o'clock, so another couple of hours of quick showers, and that's going to be it. Congratulations to all of you. I hope you all can find and get a certificate for participating today in the record heat in South Florida. We won both in Miami and in Fort Lauderdale. So we don't get medals like the hockey teams, though. 88 there in Miami, the old record, 87 in 1974. 89, 2 degrees higher than the old record in Fort Lauderdale set back in 2011. And you felt it. I was out there today and you felt it. Still pretty warm out there. 80s across Miami-Dade, 77 cooling down faster up there in Broward County. The next 6 hours, though, after the rain drops off, we're really going to see those temperatures start dropping towards midnight, because that's when the cool air behind that front is really going to start pushing in. Tomorrow, look, high temperatures only in the 60s, upper 60s. We're going to drop basically 20 degrees plus from where we were at today. So I hope you enjoyed today. There it is. That moves through. And then on the back side of that, that's where that colder air is. Also stronger winds, breezy conditions that are going to be pushing in some cooler air for the next few days. It's also going to set us up. Take a look. We've got red flag warnings tomorrow for all of South Florida. That's because we're going to have gusting winds and we're going to have low humidity. So we've got to be very careful out there with any kind of brush fires or anything. So be careful. That's going to start tomorrow at 9 a.m. and go through the day. After this moves through, look, our low temperatures in the morning, especially Tuesday, going to be really chilly. It's going to take a few days. When you wake up on Tuesday, the wind chill feels like temperatures are going to be in the upper 30s across all of Broward County. Miami-Dade, basically the same thing, except out on the beach, you're going to be at 40, and the Keys, you're going to be in the low to mid 50s. So the next 2 days are going to be dramatically different than what we just went through this weekend. And look, I'm not joking. Saturday, the 84 there, we're going to have a 40-degree slide. Yeah, 40 degrees by the time Tuesday rolls around. At least we're not here. That is out in Brooklyn. That is that's the amusement park out there. You can see the cyclone there. That is 31 degrees of snow really starting to pile up. There's that nor'easter, and it's starting to move up the coast there. But we've still got at least another 12 hours of snow here. That's why we got those blizzard conditions from Delaware, basically in Maryland, all the way up through Boston. And they're going to get in some areas up to 2 feet of snow out there. It's going to be a long time. So be prepared out there at the beach tomorrow if you're going. High rip current risk, temperatures in the upper 70s.